Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign controllers in Steam Remote Play together using the Big Picture Dashboard method and the easy steps. This is a great way to force your system to recognize your handheld pads on your current setup session so your player numbers are perfectly locked in before your multiplayer game even loads. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop and jump straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor view screen, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to fix your device rules at the root level before any games start running, opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep using its old automatic layout settings, which often makes outside controllers conflict with your own buttons. Step 2. Navigate to the main controller option row. Next, you need to slide down the category list to open up the specialized management board where the computer memory card holds your hardware rules. Move your cursor to the menu bar on the left side of the open window, scroll down near the bottom of the list, find the category labeled Controller, and click on it once. Look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows to see a fresh list of toggle switches, device names, and calibration tools show up clearly. Because it isolates your hardware configuration settings from your chat or download options. By opening this specific preference board, you tell the program engine to focus entirely on your plugged-in tools. It ensures you can check your button layouts and view your active communication lanes in a simple, straight format. Plug in your controller so the name pops up above the Advanced Settings option, then you can set this up. You can also press Shift plus Tab key on your keyboard to open the Steam overlay row inside your active game. Find the Settings gear icon. If the option available for you, you get to rearrange controller order selection board, like reviewing the pop-up list that appears, showing a numbered column 1, 2, 3, 4 with your active device names listed next to the numbers. Now that the hardware order is firmly written as separate communication lanes, your streaming game will read the controller slots perfectly from the very first frame. Your pre-game management setup is completely finished, and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To assign controllers in Steam Remote Play together, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the controller row on the left side menu on your screen canvas rows. Next, you scroll down and click the Advanced Controller Order button to see your connected devices. Finally, you use the number drop-down box to switch your friend's pad to a slot and save your changes before playing. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.